Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib C:/boot/bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.